Understanding the credit repair process. Applying for something like a mortgage or an auto loan is difficult if you have bad credit. It's especially frustrating if you've worked on improving your credit, but feel like your score doesn't reflect all of your hard work. This is where credit repair companies come in. Credit repair companies help clients review their credit reports, work to remove inaccurate and unfair negative items, manage their credit wisely moving forward. You may have a lot of questions about credit repair companies and how they work. 1. What is a credit repair company? 2. How do credit repair companies work? 3. How much does it cost to repair credit? 4. How can I verify a credit repair company? 5. How long does credit repair take? 6. Can I repair my own credit? 7. Can a credit repair company really help? It's time for some answers. Let's start with credit repair companies. What is a credit repair company? A credit repair company is an organization that can help you understand and repair your credit by analyzing your credit report and challenging inaccuracies with credit bureaus and creditors. How do credit repair companies work? Credit repair companies typically request and review your credit report from the major credit bureaus, TransUnion, Experian, and Equifax, create and execute a plan to fix any discrepancies, and recommend other ways to improve your score. When reviewing your credit report, credit repair companies typically look for credit report errors like accounts that don't belong to you, duplicate accounts, incorrect inquiries, inaccurate accounts. These inaccuracies can unfairly take a toll on your credit score. Periodically reviewing your credit report helps you catch these inaccuracies before they affect your score.
By submitting a challenge, you're requesting the credit bureau review the accuracy of the information on your credit report.
The bureaus are required to either correct or remove it if they're unable to verify it.
Lexington Law's credit repair process includes the following steps: case intake, credit score analysis, communication with creditors and credit bureaus, follow-up and escalation.
How much does it cost to repair credit? The cost to repair credit varies between companies and the level of service you choose. Payment for credit repair can range from a one-time flat rate to charges for each inaccuracy found, or to monthly payments. A poor credit score results in higher interest rates and fewer available options when shopping around for things like auto or personal loans. Spending time and money to repair your credit with a credit repair company can potentially save you thousands in the long run, depending on your situation. At Lexington Law, credit repair services start at $89.95. How can I verify a credit repair company? You can verify a credit repair company by asking the right questions, looking up reviews, and understanding what they legally can and cannot do. Doing your research beforehand can save you time, money, and unnecessary stress. Here are some red flags to look out for. Demand payment up front. Sounds too good to be true. Can't answer questions. Hold back or provide misinformation. Ask you to misrepresent information. How long does credit repair take?
The time it takes to see the results from your credit repair varies based on your current score, financial situation, and many other factors. Credit bureaus usually have 30 days to conduct a reasonable investigation and decide whether to verify, correct, or remove a reported item. However, factors such as the timing of when a negative item appeared and the nature of the negative item may affect the time required to adequately challenge it.
Statistically, 89% of past Lexington Law clients who saw a credit score increase had an average increase of 40 points in 6 months. 70% of Lexington clients saw an increase.
Can I repair my own credit? Yes, you can repair your own credit, but make sure you've done your research so that you do it correctly.
Can a credit repair company really help? Yes, a legitimate credit repair company could help you remove inaccurate, negative items that are damaging your credit score. If you're interested in getting started with a credit repair company, you can sign up today for a free credit report consultation to see where you stand and learn how Lexington Law can help you work towards cleaning up your credit report.